Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel PK Education Official. বন্ধুসকল, আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম কোচ ভাষা সম্পৰ্কীয় কেইটামান কথা বতৰা বা বাক্যসমূহৰ সম্পৰ্কে। সো বলকচোন বন্ধুসকল, পলম নকৰি আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'খন আৰম্ভ কৰিছো। Nang kosona, তুমি কোচনে? Are you coach? Hey, ang koso. Hoy, moi coach. Yes, I am coach. Nang koso koro manu naman sa. Tumi kuch bhaka jana ne nai. Do you know coach language or not? Nang koso koro barne manu naman sa. Tumi kuch bhaka kobo para ane noara. Can you speak coach or not? Ang koso koro barne mansa. Moi kuch bhaka kobo noaro. I can speak coach. Ang koso koro barne manu. Moi kuch bhaka kobo paro. I can speak coach. Koso koro bar. Kuch bhaka kua. Speak coach language. Begal koro tabar. Beleg bhaka nokoba. Don't speak other language. Phai koso koro sikaina. Kuch bhaka hikua ho. Let's learn coach. De koso koro barna. Kuch bhaka ko aha. Let's speak coach. Nang koso koro betene barsa. Bada pansa. Tumi kuch bhaka kyo nokua. Why don't you speak coach? Koso koro sikai. Kuch bhaka hika. Learn coach language. Ane koso koro sikai laha. Mok kuch bhaka hikai dia. Teach me coach language. Angta se koso koro sikai to. Ba sikai tong to. Moi etia he coach bhaka hiki asu. I am learning coach language right now. Nang betene koso koro sikaisa. Tumi kyo kuch bhaka ni hika. Why don't you learn coach language? Nang bibla koso koro sikaina. Tumi ketia kuch bhaka hikiba. When will you learn coach language?